on now. Brian Merrill, we need you to come up here and holler at John Gaither. Brian Merrill, John Gaither got some talk for you. Brian Merrill, need you right up here talking to John, please, sir. All righty, taking to the sky right now, we've got Seth Arnold. Seth is hanging on the prop while in the meantime, Ben was doing a rolling circle coming back through. A half followed by a 2-point roll from Ben. Looks like Seth is taking the low road and Ben's got the high road. Ben and Seth, we've got an open fly. If you've got them, bring them out, because right after Ben and Seth, we're going to do a regular open fly. Seth is going through there with a slow roll, while Ben is now working the low roll. Ben's working the low side with hovering. That's it. Looks like both of them are going to kind of work the low roll here. I'll tell you what, another thing I'll say that a lot of this is harder than it looks, and the reason is because of the fact that you can feel that wind has come up a little bit. And so that kind of changes, it puts a new perspective on things. There we go. Honey, what do you think? Lou, hey, what do you think? You guys like this? What do you think? Right on the ground. I guarantee they are hanging it out for you, no doubt about it.